In the bustling digital age, staying organized and keeping track of important information is crucial. Enter Apple Notes, a versatile and user-friendly tool that has quietly evolved into a powerful note-taking and organization app. Apple Notes offers features that can help you manage your information better. So today, let's get into the top 5 features of Apple Notes that you should know about and how to use them. All your devices are seamlessly synchronized with Apple Notes, making it one of the best note-taking apps. Notes can be accessed from any device, including an iPhone, iPad, or even Mac. You must have iCloud Notes synced enabled, and all your devices should be signed in with the same Apple ID. And to do this, you can go to Settings, then your name, go to iCloud, and then Notes. Now you'll have access to your critical notes when needed. Gone are the days of plain text notes. Apple Notes offers a variety of formatting options to help you customize your messages and make them visually appealing. You can create headings, use bullet points, highlight text, and add tables. And when editing a note, tap the AA button, the text button, to access these formatting tools. Believe me, this can be a game changer for creating well-structured notes, outlining a project, studying for an exam, or even drafting an article or a script for a blog or a video. Embedded media or attachments. Apple Notes goes beyond text by allowing you to embed photos, videos, sketches, and even scan documents directly into your notes. This feature is perfect for visual learners, creatives, or anyone who wants to enhance their notes with multimedia elements. To insert media, tap the plus icon button while editing a message and choose the desired option. You can even snap a quick photo, draw a sketch, or even scan a physical document using your device's camera. You can stay organized and collaborate effectively by utilizing Apple Notes checklist feature. Turn any note into a to-do list by simply adding checkboxes to items. This is really handy for creating shopping lists, task lists, or project management notes. Moreover, you can share notes with others and collaborate in real time. To share a message, tap the share icon and choose your preferred sharing method, such as AirDrop, messages, or even email. This feature is perfect for group projects, brainstorming sessions, or simply keeping everyone on the same page. Unleash your creativity with Apple Notes' instant markup and drawing capabilities. Whether annotating an image, sketching ideas, or just doodling for fun, this feature offers a canvas within your notes. To access it, tap the plus button again. Select Markup and use the provided tools to draw, write, or add annotations. This can be immensely helpful for illustrating concepts, taking visual notes, or collaborating on design projects. Try Apple Notes next time you reach for a pen. Try Apple Notes next time you reach for a pen and paper. You might discover a whole new level of note-taking convenience.